Yo, what's poppin', everybody? Are you ready to take your iPhone game to the next level? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of iOS 16.4, Apple's latest software update that's packed with loads of new features and improvements. But before we get into all that goodness, can you believe there are over 3 billion smartphone users worldwide? Praising right. If you're as hyped as I am to find out everything iOS 16.4 has to offer, then smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for all the freshest tech updates. Trust me, you won't want to miss a thing. Now let's jump into the world of iOS 16.4 and uncover all its hidden gems. Stay tuned. iOS 16.4 was released on March 27, 2023 and is available for all iPhone models from the iPhone 8 and iPhone X onwards, including the iPhone 13 series. With over 50 new features and changes, this update aims to enhance your iPhone experience. Not only will it improve the performance of your device, but it also introduces new functionalities that make your iPhone even more versatile. As of September 2021, the iPhone 13 Pro Max boasted a 6.7 inches display and a slightly heavier and thicker design compared to its predecessor. With the new update, you can enjoy improved performance and features on these devices. Apple knows how much we love emojis, so they've added a bunch of new ones in iOS 16.4. These fresh emojis include new animals, food items, and even more diverse and inclusive options. With smartphones becoming an essential part of our lives, there were over 3 billion smartphone users worldwide in 2021. Staying connected and expressing ourselves through messaging apps has become increasingly important. The new emojis in iOS 16.4 ensure you have a variety of creative ways to communicate with your friends and family. Go ahead and explore these new emojis and make your conversations more vibrant and engaging than ever before. For web enthusiasts, iOS 16.4 brings a game-changing feature. However, with Safari push notifications, websites can now send you updates directly to your iPhone, similar to app notifications. This feature keeps you informed about the latest news, updates, and offers from your favorite online platforms without the hassle of manual browsing. As browsing habits evolve, it's essential for operating systems like iOS to stay ahead of the curve. Safari push notifications is a testament to Apple's commitment to enhancing the user experience. Alright guys, we just covered the mind-blowing Safari push notifications feature in iOS 16.4, which is definitely a game changer. But before we dive into the next part, I've got a quick question for y'all. What's your favorite iOS 16.4 feature so far? And if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content like this. Now buckle up, because we're about to jump into the next segment, which is going to blow your socks off. Trust me, you're going to love what's coming up. So stay tuned and keep watching, because it's about to get even more exciting. Call quality is crucial in our increasingly connected world, and iOS 16.4 brings a significant improvement: voice isolation. Introduced in iOS 15 for VoIP calls and apps like FaceTime, iOS 16.4 extends this feature to regular phone calls. Voice isolation uses advanced algorithms to filter out background noise, ensuring your voice comes through crystal clear even in noisy environments. With a growing number of people using their smartphones for calls, video calls on FaceTime increased by 90% in 2020. For example, this feature enhances the calling experience for both you and the person on the other end, making conversations more enjoyable and efficient. Thankfully, iOS 16.4 maintains consistent battery life and smooth performance across compatible devices. Additionally, third-party apps like Netflix, Twitter, Slack, Gmail, Chrome, and Spotify work seamlessly, ensuring uninterrupted entertainment and connectivity. Compared to previous versions, iOS 16.4 offers an optimal balance of new features and improved performance. With more people relying on their smartphones for daily tasks, it's essential for software updates like iOS 16.4 to deliver a seamless and efficient experience, and Apple has done just that.
If you're looking for life insurance but don't want to have to take a medical exam, you may be wondering how much coverage you can get. The good news is that if you qualify for no medical exam life insurance, you can get up to $2 million in coverage. Please click link in description or call 888-405-4866.
Updating to iOS 16.4 is a breeze. To install the update on your compatible iPhone, simply open the Settings app, choose General, and then tap on Software Update. Your iPhone will search for the update and display it once available. Tap Download and Install, and follow the on-screen instructions. Your iPhone takes care of the rest, ensuring a hassle-free installation process. By keeping the update procedure straightforward and user-friendly, Apple allows users to enjoy the benefits of iOS 16.4 without any unnecessary complications. Don't hesitate to upgrade and explore the plethora of new features and enhancements this update has to offer. Now let's compare iOS 16.4 to its predecessors. While iOS 16.3 introduced some impressive features, iOS 16.4 outshines it with over 30 additional upgrades. Compared to iOS 15, iOS 16.4 boasts significant improvements in performance, stability, and feature additions. From the expansion of voice isolation to regular phone calls to the introduction of Safari push notification, Apple ensures that upgrading to iOS 16.4 is a smart decision for those looking to get the most out of their iPhones. As the iPhone continues to evolve, Apple consistently refines and enhances the user experience with each software update, making iOS 16.4 an essential upgrade for compatible devices. iOS 16.4 is a fantastic update, offering over 50 new features and changes that significantly enhance your iPhone experience. With improved performance, battery life, and innovative features like voice isolation and Safari push notifications, there's no reason not to update your compatible device. Just remember to keep an eye out for potential issues and weigh the pros and cons before updating. And there you have it, folks. We've explored the ins and outs of iOS 16.4, and I don't know about you, but I'm seriously impressed with all the amazing features Apple has packed into this update. Remember, with over 3 billion smartphone users worldwide, we're all part of a massive tech-savvy community, and it's super cool to stay up to date with the latest advancements. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to show some love by smashing that like button and subscribing to Lit Technology for more wicked content like this. Thanks so much for watching, fam. This is Lit Technology signing off. Stay lit and catch you in the next one. Peace out.